Hello guys, my name is Satya and in this video we'll be talking about loops in Python. Alright, so basically there are two loops in Python, for and while loop. So the structure of for loop is as shown here. So first of all we will have to write the for statement for I. This can be any variable. Alright, so this can be any variable and in the range of some number, okay, some number, and then whatever the whatever the argument you just want to pass, you can actually write here, okay. So this will actually run as many times as it is shown over here. Alright, so the next one is while loop, and the structure of while loop is as follows. So we will be taking while and then expression, okay, and then we will be indenting. The indent will be as follows, okay, and then statement 1 break. We can actually use the break or and continue as per our requirements. If we don't require this break and continue, we can just skip these two, okay. We can just skip these two on statement and then ending statement, okay. So this is the basic structure of for and while loop. We will be looking at more see, the structure will be more clear only when we start coding, okay. So in the next video we will be looking at the coding of these two loops, okay. And to understand this better, the concept of loops better, uh, I will just give you an example program wherein uh, write a program to find multiples of a given number, okay. First 10 multiples of a given number. So which actually means the question is actually saying we have to first of all take a number, let's say in a variable x, okay, and then we have to print the output as x into 1, x into 2 until x into 10, okay. So basically it's asking for the first 10 multiples of a given number, okay, x be the given number. So to actually do this, we will have to use loops, because we cannot just write print x into 1, x into 2. So this is a very big process, and if we want until 100, if the question says first 100 multiples, then we will have to write the program forever, okay. Like if it says 1000, so we'll have to write 1000 more lines. So this is a very tiresome process, and this cannot be reliable. So we use loops, and let me just write the code over here. Alright, so first of all we will be taking the input in x, okay, x equals to, we are taking integer input, so integer input input. Just a second. So let me write this in, oops, well, so let me write the code. X equals to integer of input. Alright, so we are taking input in x, and then we will perform the output. But before that, for as per the question, right, so for y in range, for y in range of 1 to 11, okay, for y in range of 1 to 11 colon, and then press enter, okay. It will start the indent over here, it will start the indent, and we just need to do this x into y. Okay, so we are just printing this one. Well, let me just write print x into y. Okay, so now what I have done is simply I just took the input in x. Okay, I took the input in x, and then I started a loop with a variable named as y. For 1 to 11. Okay, 11 means this is the highest limit, which means 1, starting from 1 to 11 means the 10th index. Okay, so now we will be getting all the multiples, and I have said print x into y. So this will give me everything like x into 1, x into 2, and etc. Okay, so that's it. These three lines are enough to get multiples of any number. Okay, if you want this till 100, we just need to substitute the number here. Okay, so similarly, even the while loop works the same way, but the structure is a little bit different. So we will have to write the first one expression like while and expression. Okay, well, I will just write the while loop here. We will be writing this while x is well, we can actually use less than, right? Well, while x is less than 11. Okay, while x is less than 11, and first of all, here let's take the input x equals to integer of input, and let me just change this, the while condition. While y is less than 11. Okay, we can also use the brackets if you want. Now indentation starts. While y is less than 11 means until y is less than 11 it's okay. Okay, so now I am just printing. Okay, print x into y. But what is y? Y is not defined, right? So first of all we will define y equals to 1. Okay, y equals to 1, and now print x into y. In the first iteration, x into 1. Okay, and then y equals to y plus 1. I have incremented the y, value of y. So now y equals to y plus 1 means now the y is 2. Okay, y equals to 2 now, and this will check here while y is less than 11. It's still less than 11, so it will print again. It will again increment plus 1, which means 3. Okay, so in this way it will continue until 10, and then after the 10th increment, I mean for the 11th increment, this condition will be false, and then the loop will stop. Okay, so this is how while and for loop works, and these are some examples. I hope this is clear, and thank you.